Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries Fire Sign. This is November monthly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries Fire Sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Aries. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Under the deck, Temperance. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius. Queen of Wands, Three of Swords, Ace of Wands, and Four of Wands. Yes, in recent past, everything was okay. Definitely, there is stability, there is passion between you and your person. Especially in career wise, there are new opportunities for you, Aries. New beginnings, new opportunities. But suddenly in relationship, something happened between you and your person. Breakup is here. Yes, you both are in breakup right now, or there are some issues going between you and your person. So you want to take your power back here. You want to take control of the situation here, and there is no balance in this relationship at all. So you want to balance within yourself, or you want balance in this relationship. So let's see our reading. Recent past, King of Wands, the Moon, and King of Pentacles. Moon, trust issues. Maybe one person is hiding something from the other person. Some illusions, arguments. You both are difference of opinion here, because King of Wands and King of Pentacles. One person wants stability, but one person is very passionate. I think there is no balance between you and your person, differentiates in opinions. Then present, Six of Cups, Two of Swords, and Queen of Cups. You are at some crossroads right now, Aries. What to do, what not to do, you don't know right now. But you still have strong emotions towards this person. You still love this person a lot. You have a lot of love for this person. And future, the Sun, Judgment, and Knight of Wands. So someone is coming in future. For some it could be a brand new person, for some it could be a past person, but you will make decision in future, because in present situation you are at some crossroads, but in future you will make your decision. And you are taking care of yourself here. You're focusing on your inner happiness, and for some there is big happiness or something positive, and something very happy is coming into your way. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. 10 of Wands. They are feeling overburdened. Maybe they have no time to give to you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Their intentions. I want clarification card for 9 of Wands. So under the deck Justice, maybe you're dealing with Libra, Seven of Pentacles, Page of Swords, and Five of Wands. Right now there is drama is going between you and your person. They are spying you, they are watching you, Aries. They're taking their time here. There is some waiting game is going between you and your person. Definitely they want second chances and they want balance in this relationship. You both wanting the same. But here some waiting game is going. Their current feelings, Magician, Nine of Wands and Nine of Cups. Nine of Wands clarified by Ace of Wands, Two of Wands and the Hanged Man. So right now you are stuck. They are stuck on you. They want passionate new beginnings, but they're guarded up right now. They're wishing, they're praying for this connection, but they are not showing their real emotions to you. They're hiding their emotions here because still your person is in some confusion. That's why they are being cold with you, but they want passionate new beginnings here. And their intentions, King of Cups, Nine of Pentacles, and Judgment. They're in the process of making decision here, and they do love you. They have feelings for you because King of Cups is here, and Nine of Pentacles. Your person is very independent person, very abundant. They are financially very abundant and very emotionally very strong person here. Definitely they are in the process of making decision here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, right now your person in their life going through something which is very uh, serious situation, or very they're going through something very serious. That's why they want to heal from this nine four of swords. Yeah, they're still juggling here, but they know they want you back in their life because Ten of Pentacles is here. They're ready to work on this relationship, but they're taking their time. You will receive text message. Maybe you block them, but they will text you through uh, some other options. But for some, you block their number because you want to control the situation here. You are emotionally very, very strong. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Aries. Three of Cups. For some, maybe third party involved in this connection, but lots of communication. I think you are guarded up, but will communicate with you. I think you're both thinking about each other a lot. You're focusing on your own thing, but they're going to be approached now. They're ready to offer equal give and take. Then it's up to you, Aries. Decision is in your hands. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Aries. Friendship. Maybe they are putting you in friendship zone. For some, you both are very good friends. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. This person is sneaky. These are the messages. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Aries. It's time to take action. New Moon in Aries. And your dreams need a practical plan. Full Moon in Taurus. These two cards are correlated with each other. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. So for those who want to achieve, or you want to dreaming about a big something big, this is the message for you. First you need a practical plan, then you have to take action. then you and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer, maybe you're dealing with Cancer here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.